Hey everyone. In all of our training, we're talking about doing it right, using flashed mounts that we put in place that fit underneath shingles so that we have a roof penetration for our rail mounts that involve flashings that properly protect the roof hole. You're learning the right way, but I just was checking around some stuff and I want to show you some ghastly examples of how badly some people are doing this. Here's a pretty horrible example. I was just looking around. You see the L foot mounted directly to comp shingle, just putting in some goop, figuring that that's going to be enough to seal. There will be roofers and installers that'll say, hey, I'm putting in plenty of seal in here, I'm tightening it down tight to the comp shingle, this is going to last a long time. Well, this is the kind of mounting that I never want to see you guys do. Okay, well if that wasn't enough, how about this? Another example, L foot mounted directly to comp shingle, and this guy's doing a better job, putting in more goop. I think he's really trying to up the ante here in terms of how badly to install. But what I want to emphasize is that this has actually been installed, and some people might complain and say, hey, I got leaks in my roof because of solar. Solar is no good. And we do not want that kind of reputation coming from anybody. That's just a couple of examples I found. Maybe you can find even more on the internet. But the point is, there is bad practice that's out there, but I'm really proud that you're taking these kind of courses and that you guys are going to be installing it correctly.
Hey, thanks for watching the training video using Interplay's simulation-based training program. You can keep watching our solar videos by clicking on the link to your left, or stay up to date on our latest solar snacks by subscribing on your right. To learn more about how the STP provides critical team training and helps you build an onboarding program at your company, please go to interplaylearning.com.